CubiCubi Computer Desk 55. Modern simple style. CubiCubi Computer Desk delivers a peaceful experience to you, wherever at home or office. This desk unifies rigid metal with dark and rustic brown wooden boards, resulting in a unique display of delicate charm. Study stable for use. Heavy-duty powder-coated steel frame and triangular junction design ensure stability and durability. 1.6 by 1.6 quote width leg is strong enough to support heavy-duty for home office use. Easy to assemble. Just need to install the 4 legs and 2 leg bars with hex key. 10-15 minutes. Then fix the desktop board and you will finish it. Multiple style choice. We offer 3 sizes: OF 47, 55, 63, and 4 colors of rustic brown, espresso with black, walnut, black with white. Just choose the size and color that best suits you. And there is plenty of leg room for most people. Worry-free service. We provide 30 days no reason return and lifetime customer service. Express our attitude to customers. Prompt response from CubiCubi. We'll always be there, no matter before or after sales. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.